Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to go over how to use the Autosense Power Liftgate on the 2024 GMC Acadia. But I'm just going to come over here and just stand here. You hear all those beeps, and notice I didn't touch anything or do anything, and the tailgate opens. So a very interesting feature, if you walk up and your hands are full and you don't have any way, you don't want to put anything down, you don't have the ability to actually open this with one of the features where you push a button basically, well, that's something you can do. Now you can turn that feature on and off just as you would expect, but here's something interesting. If you walk past the vehicle and it starts to beep like that, and you just walk past, it won't actually go ahead and open. Kind of a nice little fail-safe built in. You have to stand there and you'll hear a number of beeps and then it starts to open, the tailgate starts to open, and there you go. So I like the fact that if you accidentally are walking, maybe you're walking to the driver's seat or something like that, to the driver's door, and the door beeps, but you keep moving, it's not gonna open. Now let's see if I can get it to do it for me. I'm just gonna walk past here, I'm gonna keep walking. You heard the beeps and it didn't open. So there's the proof that what I'm telling you is actually true. And there you go, that's how you use the Autosense Power Liftgate on the 2024 or 2025 GMC Acadia. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. I appreciate that. That helps me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe, that way you don't miss any future videos. Share this video on your timeline. If there's a particular tutorial you would like to see me feature, tell me down in the comments section. It doesn't have to be on a GMC vehicle, it can be something else. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.